Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna do camera review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we got 3 cameras on the back. The first one is 12 megapixel main camera with f1.6 aperture. And second one is 12 megapixel ultrawide camera with f2.4 aperture. And the last third one is 12 megapixel telephoto camera with f2.2 aperture. And we got 12 megapixel front camera with f2.2 aperture. So let's start from the front camera. So we got 4K 60 and 30 frame per second option, and also we got 1080p 60 and 30 frame per second option. This video I did recorded at 4K 60 frame per second. You can see the stabilization of the front camera. Moving on to the portrait mode and without portrait mode of the front camera. Here are some photos of the portrait mode and without portrait mode. Moving on to the back camera. So this video I did recorded at 4K 60 frame per second. The quality and colors are much better from the front camera. This video I did recorded at 1080p 60 frame per second. This is the ultra-wide video that I recorded at 4K 60 frame per second. Let's talk about the slow motion video. So we can record 1080p 120 frame per second from the front camera and 1080p 120 and 240 frame per second from the back camera. This is the slow motion video that I recorded at 1080p 240 frame per second. Here are some photos of the back camera. can go up to 12 times zoom in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In portrait mode, you can go up to 2.5 times zoom. Here are some photos and video that I took in the night mode.